Welcome to the second video on software testing. This video is about the reliability and safety. Software reliability and safety, these are all related concepts but distinct in software testing. Reliability focuses on the consistent and predictable execution of the software function. But safety deep down into the technical reliability concepts. Reliability refers to the ability of a software system to perform its required functions under the stated conditions for a specified period of time without failure. It measures actually how consistent and accurate the system performs its intended operations. Looking into the key characteristics of reliability. The first important key characteristics is error-free operation. Here, the system operates without encountering failures during its expected usage. The next key characteristics of reliability is predictability. The system should behave in a consistent and predictable manner. Now let's look into the examples of reliability. A web server crashing due to a bug is a reliability issue. A banking application failing to process the transactions correctly is also a reliability issue. We can take an example of e-commerce. Now, let's hold on with the most common website, the Amazon, which is a very common platform, the e-commerce platform. Let's talk about the reliability concepts in Amazon. The reliability of Amazon's website is crucial because it has to maintain the user trust and ensure smooth transactions. Any The next example of reliability, let us work on with the banking systems. Online banking, that is the fashion today. Systems like online banking platforms, they reliably handle the financial transactions, update the account balances, and maintain accurate records. For example, consider a banking application. A banking application. Then we move on to the telecommunications. Here we can think about the call routing systems. The software actually used in the telecommunication networks to route calls must be highly reliable to ensure the continuous connectivity. A failure in each of the systems can lead to dropped calls and communication blackouts. So here reliability test. We have two types of reliability. One is the software reliability, the other is the hardware reliability. Software failures can be due to no wear out phenomenon, but hardware failures can be due to wear and tear. Software reliability is inherently determined during the earlier phase of the development process, such as the specification, analysis, and the design phases. The, so far, we have seen the concepts of reliability. Now we proceed to the next important concept in software testing, that is the safety. Safety in software testing, particularly in safety critical system, it prevents and focuses on preventing the hazardous situations. It has to prevent the hazardous situations or outcomes that. Here, the key aspects include hazard identification, risk mitigation, compliance, incident prevention. What is hazard identification? Identifying the potential risk and vulnerabilities within the software is called as hazard identification. The next important aspect is about risk mitigation. Now we go into the examples of safety. A medical device delivering a harmful dose of medication is a safety issue. A car braking system malfunctioning will cause an accident. So these are examples of safety. Now we take a case study about autonomous vehicles. First, let us concentrate on reliability, the detection and navigation. Autonomous vehicles must reliably detect the obstacles. It has to navigate the routes and make decisions under various conditions. For this, the reliability testing should include verifying the sensor. At the same time, Looking into the aspect of safety in autonomous vehicles, we consider the collision avoidance. Autonomous vehicle must operate safely to avoid the collisions and ensure the safety of passengers and the pedestrians. So safety measures like including the emergency braking systems, the collision avoidance algorithms and extensive testing. So here we come to the end. Reliability and safety are both crucial for the quality and dependability of the software systems, but they address different concerns. Reliability ensures that the system consistently performs its intended functions without failure, and safety ensures that the system does not cause harm even in the